Ninja Turtles, Night of the Tea Machine, written by Matthew Gilbert, illustrated by Patrick Spenzenti. One night, while on patrol, Donnie used his service trucks to make some changes to Mickey's hot rod. Why exactly does your hot rod need a nacho cheese cannon? I already told you, bro, Mickey said. It's not your business! So you don't want to talk about it? Donnie replied, then his eyes widened. Hey, I made a joke! On purpose! As Donnie finished the work, Leo radioed that Turtle's Shredder has been setting body traps around the city to steal cars. But I thought all Shred already had a set of wheels, Mickey said. That's why we have to find out what he is really up to, Leo said. The Turtles kicked their tea machines into high gear. The three brothers followed Shredder's tire tracks to an abandoned garage. They reported the location to Raph, who was still on the way. They then slipped into the dark building to investigate. Woo! Suddenly, headlights blinded the Turtles. It was an ambush. Prepare to be destroyed! Shredder growled. Shredder wasn't alone. Behind him, the Krang were feeling up their latest evil experiment. Mutant ice cream truck. Talk about an ugly car, Mickey joked. People really will scream for ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! Crash! The shell racer bashed through the garage door, and Raph joined his brothers. Together they sprang into action and smashed their way through the betting box. Ah! Shredder and his henchman, Fishface, peeled away from the garage, their tires screeching into the night. Shredder's not taking cars for himself, Donnie deduced. He's stealing them for Krang so that they can mutate them. They are building an automotive army of monsters. Then we better put the pedal to the metal, Leo commanded. The Turtles roared through the city streets. We need to slow down those bad guys, Raph said. Mickey knew his cheese could do the trick, but before he could say anything, Donnie spoke up. I have a plan. He radioed the other tea machines, calling all cars from the other side of the city. Casey Jones sped to join the chase. Casey, I know the thing drives on the ice, but can it make ice? Mickey asked over his radio. Not to worry, dude, Casey said, flipping a switch. If there's no thing Casey Jones knows how to do is it's chill. Get ready, Leo radioed. We're chasing them right toward you. A layer of sub-zero frost blasted out of the back of Casey's tea machine, freezing the street into a giant ice rink. The Turtles crashed and bashed with Shredders and Fishface's racers and zoomed alongside them, cutting off turns and making sure the villains and held their course. It wasn't long before Shredder and Fish Face found a super slippery surprise waiting for them. The Shredmobile spun out on Casey's ice, crashing into the shell crusher in a mess of metal sparks. Like this. Like, I was right here. Alrighty, Mickey, Leo yelled over the commotion. You ready to give the new toy of yours a test drive? Mickey grinned from ear to ear. Oh yeah, I am go for a nacho. Mickey revved his hot rod and activated the newest secret weapon of the Nacho Cheese Canyon. Hey, Shredhead, Mickey taunted him from behind the wheel. You order a little extra cheese? Just as Shredder and Fishface attempt their getaway, Mickey pulled out a lever and unleashed a fountain of hot, cheesy goo that stopped them in their tracks. The city roads would be safe once again, thanks to the turtles and the team machines. The end! So, what's your favorite part about the story? I'll give you a second. My favorite part is at the end, right here, because the he's the orange turtle is just like cheese, and it's almost Christmas time, and I made this ornament myself. I painted it, and I did the blue guy right here.